All right, so I got those 3 nuts off. The top of this just kind of dropped down a little bit, and it's under here. So I'm going to take my plate. I'm going to place it just like this underneath there. So hopefully you can see kind of how that's orientated. I'm going to go ahead and do this in real time just so you guys can see how this is done. Started my first one. My second one. And my third one. All right, just like that, I have all 3 of these started in my plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten those up now.